You know, I have learned to stop speculating on this trial. It changes by the minute. But we're waiting this morning to find out what that mysterious halt to the trial was on Saturday. And in the meantime, this family of Casey Anthony comes back here to this courtroom for day 40 of this trial. And if this has been tough on Casey, make no mistake, this has been extraordinary for them.
I watched that video hundreds of times.
From the very first day this story broke, it was clear a family's wrenching pain would be on public display.
Were you present in your home when Kaylee Anthony died?
No, and when I heard that today, it hurt really bad.
George and Cindy Anthony caught between the sick request of testifying for both the prosecution and the defense. Casey's brother Lee also caught in the middle.
I was very angry at my mom, and I was also angry at my sister.
Casey wept as she watched her brother struggle to help her defense. He was highlighting family dysfunction over her secret pregnancy.
They didn't want to include me and didn't find it important enough to tell me.
Casey's mom also tearfully backed up Casey's story that Kaylee accidentally drowned.
It's a picture of Kaylee walking up the ladder, and I'm behind her, holding her.
There have been so many Anthony tears shed in this courtroom. Casey was apoplectic earlier in the case when her mother left the stand. But for Casey, it would get much worse.
You're looking at a human skull.
When photos of her daughter's remains flashed in open court, Casey refused to look, her balled-up fist jammed against her mouth.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we're going to recess.
As the courtroom rose for the jury to leave, Casey seemed unable to move and was in fact so sick, proceedings were halted.
Miss Anthony is ill. We are recessing for the day.
It's been a hard trial for the Anthony family. Cindy Anthony once even mouthed the words, "I love you," to her daughter, only to see Casey shrug it off. Likely heartbreaking for a grandmother testifying both for and against her daughter.
And originally we had expected that the defense might actually wrap up its case on Wednesday of this week. But now with all these delays, Robin, we really just don't know when the jury's going to get this case.